Hey guys, welcome to another video. For today I will be playing this world again.
Okay. But that's only about 200.
Yeah, that's definitely not a good idea.
Each.
Well,
we get 2. We probably have some here to make up for the little extra. So how much would 2 be?
Oh,
I forgot you're doing a video.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to listen to me be loud and annoying.
Yes, viewers, you will.
And I might be a little louder in a little bit if people don't stop distracting themselves with your video game and pay attention to their school. Yes, but why did I say 13?
That won't be.
Wait, actually it'll be more than that because of taxes. Well, I said 13 because I was rounding to the nearest one. So 16.54, round it up.
Because I'm going to be
12.54.
making a door.
There's so much going on in here.
There we go.
12.54.
That will make it so zombies don't break down your door.
There's one.
It's not that cool.
And there's one. Write it down, look at the number, identify each place value.
Oh my goodness, a ravine.
12.54.
I just
Ravines are
found.
not that common in.
If you're rounding to the one place, what number do you look at
So far they are.
to round to that place?
Yeah. Tim, I thought this was a world you made with me, wasn't it?
Right?
It's
And
not.
what's in the 10th
Really?
place? 12.5.
It's a world that I made.
It's a world
Does
that
5 make the ones place round up or round down?
Good thing you.
I mean, round up and stay the same. Oh my god. So what is it now if we rounded it?
Hey, there's no need to hold down shift for me, Lydia. So I need to get 2 more cobblestone. 1, 2. Got that down.
Very good.
Now.
13. Period. 13. That's it because we rounded it. 13.00 if you really want to.
Jump.
13.
Oh, look, there's an Enderman down there. What is it? I wonder what the Enderman's holding.
But there's tax.
Oh.
So let's just call it $15.
Thank goodness it was just a 2-block fall.
We'll be overestimating, but that's a good thing. So go back to your worksheet.
No. Oh.
Put $15 for that.
I think you can sprint and jump into the water.
Button.
I died.
Water.
Or what? What were we estimating the cost of?
You can't freaking remember where you.
Very good. Now, will we need anything else for putting in drywall? No. For drywall.
I might have to
Just
watch
putting
my
in drywall.
my other
Go
video
back
with
here to
this.
Your other what?
Video with this.
No. I have a good floor. Okay.
No. Die. Skeleton.
Why don't you look up how to install drywall?
Hello, Spidey.
No,
I think
not
I'll
on this
leave you
side.
there.
Right here. Right here.
David, don't cough.
Don't need that anymore.
Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Oh, well.
You deleted the H, so I think it'll be okay.
I'll have the wool as well.
Put the dirt with the dirt.
So when you highlight something, you don't have to hit delete. You can start typing what you want to replace it with, and it will replace it.
I must get
No,
the sheep.
it's already here. Look. Look. How to hang drywall from the Lowe's website. How awesome is that? Let's see. how to hang drywall. Watch the video if you want. Or you could just look at the materials list so we'll know what all we need to have.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to go and look at my other video. See you in a while.
Here we go.
Okay, guys. So instead of actually I looked through my video for a bit.
It was useless.
Yeah, it was useless.
He had to go into creative.
I wanted to create.
Put down your chests first.
That's good to know. So let's put down. Okay.
Chests down, Tim.
Now, let's
Cheers.
scroll all the way to the top.
Cheers. Cheers.
I'll put down my chest.
That's
Okay.
just primer. It's not an actual paint.
How did
Yes,
you get
but
all
we're
the
gonna
music
want a
discs?
glossier paint than that.
I found them. Really?
Do you know why you want
I
it
should
glossier?
These.
Because the matte paint,
Get charcoal
can't
and
just
cook
wipe it
all of
off.
your food.
it'll come off. The paint will come off. But if it's a really glossy paint, then you can wipe it off. You can even spray chemicals on it. That says flat. You don't want flat.
In the very corner of the map.
It's also flat.
Yeah. And then I'll be cooking my food.
Flat.
I'm gonna go back to that ravine and see if I can, well, get anything.
It's on the map.
The ravine is on, no, it's not on the map.
Yeah, you're out of the map.
Maybe we can.
Tim, you're being silent.
I
Most
know,
people don't like
I
silent
know.
YouTubers.
High gloss.
Ooh, this is just really scary.
Okay, go where you died last time. Jump.
Nope.
You
Not sparkly, but like
I think you turned around. Yeah, you're
like
that.
this would be high gloss.
Oh.
This would be high gloss. This would be like a semi gloss.
He got a new shirt he's wearing.
Die. If you hurted me, we will die.
Okay, so what's the cheapest one?
It's not over
It's
there.
that way. It's that way over there.
It's not there. I know where it is.
Just click on one of them. It doesn't matter which.
Just like,
$30. Alright, so now you need to put $30 on your research paper, on the page where y'all are
Almost.
putting out your research. 30.
doo-doo.
Now you're gonna need stuff.
There it is. Now.
You really need that.
Yep.
Well, you're gonna need roller pads. So at the
That's my way in.
Restore from Habitat Humanity, they have
Mom.
rollers, paint roller
that.
pads
Chicken.
for just $1 each. Habitat for Humanity. No. It's not something you're gonna look up and find. It's just I saw it when I was there this weekend. So go back to your paper.
Okay.
It looked like someone shocked you to life. You're just
Roller
sitting there watching.
Now, how many roller pads do you think?
Mm,
You know you want to eat it.
eat what?
Are you going to do all the walls the same color,
Is
Lydia?
it chicken?
Are you planning on doing all the walls the same
Do,
color?
do,
Or is
do.
that too boring? It's too boring.
No. I want to eat it now.
Well, she's I think the same color.
No. We're estimating here. We didn't buy anything. Same color? You want your room to be all one color except for one?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
No.
Hang on, James. How about we do the same?
The big would be, one, you're buying smaller things of paint. Two, you'll need more rollers. They're $1 each. A roller pad. No, because at least two people roller painting. And let's say 2 different colors. 4 different rollers. So
I have so much iron. I'd like always have so much iron. Almost in all my worlds.
But you know what else we're gonna need?
If iron were a diamond, Tim would be rich.
Yes, I am an iron hunt.
If for every iron ore that he finds, he got $1, he'd be rich.
Quite rich. Very.
And in customized worlds, you can make it like only iron, and everything else is as rare as diamonds.
And diamonds are rare.
Yeah, kind of rare. It's not that rare for me.
Okay, so
Not
how big is
anymore.
our floor?
I think
Is
they
our
took down
floor
our-
is the first thing we gotta cover.
Mhm.
Guys, guess what?
What?
I have found tons of diamonds.
No, that's not the floor.
You made it?
This is the floor. You want to
No.
see what the
Don't
square
it-
footage of your
don't it-
floor is.
Don't
And
it.
round up to the nearest.
If your head is out of water, you can find it.
Let's round up to the nearest 10.
Is yourn. I mean, there are things that are really dangerous.
So much to do,
I know. I just want to make sure you do. It's
so
1
much
point.
to do, so little
Alright. Now,
So many
God.
cupcakes, so little time.
What?
then you know
So
how
many
to round it down.
cupcakes, such little time.
So we need at least
Yeah.
120
Jump down.
square feet. That would more than cover the floor. So let's look for something cheaper. Why don't you go
What was
sort it out? Cheapest, lowest to highest in price.
This is taking quite a while.
Why don't you pause the recording?
No.
Unpause it when you find something awesome, worth telling about. Because right now you're finding stone and iron. and
No!
Yeah, and it's very small.
I lived.
Ooh, that 9 foot.
I lived.
How much is that? How many square feet is that, James? You can use the calculator. It's totally okay.
No! 24.
25 irons to make a full set.
No, 24.
Okay.
Scissors, tape.
Take the tape from
You cover your cup.
tape.
I'm going back to mine.
Very good. Now we need to find.
And I'm dead.
Good thing that you have keep inventory.
Robert.
Paint.
Iron ingot.
All I know is
Paint.
paint.
Look. Tape. Painter tape. Painter tape. Painter tape. Look at that. Is not a painter tape. What did you click on?
Paint. Paint. All I know is paint.
No.
Everything I know
All I know
is paint.
Paint. All I know is paint. All you know is paint.
Mhm.